Look at this hat. Isn't it beautiful?
Started in a ring. Hook the thread out of the loop with the crochet needle. 2 braids do not count as 1 stitch. In the loop, hook 12 long stitches. Tighten the starting loop. End with a slip stitch to the first stitch. In the second round, 2 braids. In the same stitch, hook to long stitches. Next, in each stitch, 2 long stitches. End with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Third round, 2 braids. In the same stitch, crochet 1 long stitch. In the second stitch, 1 long stitch and 1 long stitch increase. The pattern of this round is 1 long stitch, a long stitch, and a long stitch increase. A long stitch. Ended with a slip stitch. On the 4th round, 2 braids. In the same stitch, crochet a long stitch. The second stitch and a long stitch increase. And the third stitch, a long stitch. The pattern of this round is 1 long stitch, a long stitch, and a long stitch increase. 1 long stitch. A total of 12 groups. On the 5th round, 2 braids, 3 long stitches in turn. One long stitch and 1 long stitch increase. The pattern of this round is 3 long stitches, 1 long stitch, and 1 increase. A long needle. On the 6th round, 2 braids, and crochet to long stitches in turn. One long stitch increase. And 1 long stitch on the 4th and 5th stitches. The pattern of this round is 2 long stitches, 1 long stitch, and 1 increase. 2 long stitches. A total of 12 groups. On the 7th round, 2 braids. Hook 3 long stitches in turn. Pick up the entire long stitch on the 4th stitch and a treble crochet stitch. Repeat 3 long stitches. An outer crochet with long stitches. Next, follow the pattern of the 7th row. To continue crocheting, long stitches are hooked with long stitches. Outer hook long stitches on outer hook long stitches until you reach the appropriate number of rows. Here I crochet 15 rows. Crochet the brim. 2 long stitches. Flip. Pick up the half stitch away from us. Crochet long stitches. Until the whole round is finished. Second round, a braid. In the same stitch, crochet a short stitch. And crochet a round of short stitches without adding or subtracting. On the third round, make a braid. In the same stitch, crochet a short stitch. Skip 1 stitch. In the next stitch, crochet 5 long stitches. After hooking, leave 1 empty and a short stitch in the next. Next, repeat a short stitch. Leave 1 stitch empty. A fan-shaped flower with 5 long stitches. Finish this round according to this pattern. Finish with a slip stitch and cut the thread. The method of crocheting flowers. First, crochet 26 chains. On the penultimate stitch, hook 2 long stitches. A chain stitch. Leave 1 stitch empty and hook 3 long stitches in the next stitch. Repeat a braid and leave 1 stitch empty, and hook 3 long stitches in the next stitch. Second row, flip 2 braids. In the same stitch, hook a long stitch. And in the next stitch, a long stitch and a long stitch increase. In the third stitch, and a long stitch, 2 braids. In the braided gap, and a short stitch. 1 petal is done. Repeat the 2 braids. 1 long stitch, 1 long stitch increased. A long stitch. 2 braids, and a short stitch in the gap. Leave a long thread at the end. Cut the thread. Roll up the flowers. And sew it on the hat.
I particularly love this color and this knitted rose.